3. Preparation before grinding drill. There are 2 steps to be prepared before performing drill grinding. Step 1. Assembling drill chuck, collet and drill. Check the drill diameter, then select proper size of collet and chuck unit. Loosen the chuck nut by turning it counterclockwise. Fit the selected collet into the collet holder at a proper angle. Insert the drill into the collet and have it protrude about 30 mm. Slightly tighten the collet holder and allow the drill to be turned by hand. Complete above procedures to finish assembling of drill chuck, collet and drill. Step 2. Setting drill length and angle. If the drill is 8 mm, set the regulation knob at 0 by turning it clockwise to the end. Then turn it counterclockwise to graduation of 8. Insert the ER collet chuck into the length setting unit and press it to the bottom. Turn the collet chuck clockwise until it touches the pin. Press the drill to the bottom. Then turn it clockwise until it touches the drill cutting edge. Turn ER nut clockwise to tighten the drill. Take out the ER collet chuck. Check to see if the drill cutting edge is parallel to the keyway of the ER collet chuck. If not, make setting again. The drill setup is very important in the entire drill grinding process. Therefore, make sure setup of drill has been correctly performed before grinding. For example, 1. Twist drill. The diameter of drill is 6 mm. When the length of the drill is 70 mm, please adjust the scale to 6. When the length of drill is 60 mm, please adjust the scale to 7. When the length of drill is 50 mm, please adjust the scale to 8. So on and so forth. Note the inverse relationship between the length and the thickness of the drill bit. 2. Hinge screw drill. Based on the outer size of the drill, please adjust to increase around 5 to 9 gradations by the diameter of the drill. If the length of the drill changes, it could be also adjusted to increase around 1 to 3 gradations. But please check to see if the drill cutting edge is parallel to the keyway of the ER collet chuck. 3. NC spotting drill. According to the outer size of the drill, please adjust the scale to 1 to 1. If the drill is of a helical angle type, please make sure that the cutting edges of the drill are parallel with the ER collet chuck. 4. Center drill. According to the front diameter of the drill, please adjust the scale to 1 to 1. 4. Drill grinding procedures. The drill grinding procedure for the CH213 includes 2 setups. Step 1. Grinding drill edge device. Before grinding, please rotate turntable of the drill edge device to the end by clockwise. Start motor running. Align and insert the straight pin at the front end of the ER collet chuck with the slot of the drill edge device. Have the drill slightly touch the grinding wheel. Perform slow feed for pressing it to the bottom. Then turn counterclockwise and clockwise revolves until grinding sound disappears. Take out the ER collet chuck. Rotate it 180 degrees. Repeat both procedures for repetitive grinding to finish the drill edge grinding. Angle adjust for drill edge. Use a 4 mm hex wrench to loosen the screw A1 by counterclockwise on the drill edge device. After adjusting fit angle, screw A1 to tighten by clockwise. The angle of drill edge is from 90 degrees to 140 degrees at will. Rotate clockwise to decrease, rotate counterclockwise to increase. Step 2. Grinding center point device. Align and insert the straight pin at the front end of the ER collet chuck with the pin of the drill center point device. Have the drill slightly touch the grinding wheel. Perform slow feed for pressing it to the bottom, then turn clockwise and counterclockwise revolves until grinding sound disappears. Take out the ER collet chuck, rotate it 180 degrees. Repeat both procedures for repetitive grinding to finish the drill center point grinding. The screw F1 is used for adjusting the center point. Rotate clockwise to decrease. Rotate counterclockwise to increase. The different grinding dimension of center point that have big, middle and small size could be adjusted by use. 5. Replacing the grinding wheel. Before replacing the grinding wheel, make sure power switch has been turned off and power wires have been disconnected. 5-1. Open the grinding wheel guard. Loosen the screw B1 on the grinder by turning it counterclockwise. Then open the grinding wheel guard. 5-2. Take out heat dissipation blade and grinding wheel. Use your left hand to hold the grinding wheel and use your right hand to take a 4mm hex wrench to loosen the screw by turning it counterclockwise. Remove screw, heat dissipation blade and the old grinding wheel. While the grinder is in operating condition, do not replace the grinding wheel until its temperature has cooled down to a normal temperature. 5-3. Clean off dust on the grinder. Apply a high-pressure air gun to clean off the dust on the grinder. 5-4. Replace with new grinding wheel. Before replacing the grinding wheel, make sure the material of drills. For twist drill, hinge screw drill, NC spotting drill and center drill, please use CBN diamond wheel. For carbide drills, please use SDC diamond wheel. Fit a new grinding wheel to the wheel spindle. Mount the heat dissipation blade. Apply a 4mm hex wrench to tighten the screw by turning it clockwise. Close the grinding wheel guard and tighten it securely. The motor is a high precision part. Use of excessive force may cause damage on the spindle and affect the grinding wheel installation. Please make sure grinding wheel guard have been tightened securely. Grinding wheel lock screw B2 and grinding wheel guard lock screw B1 before turn on power switch in order to avoid dangerous result. 6. Maintenance after operation. 6-1. Cleaning chuck nut. Apply a high pressure air gun to clean off powder on the threads and bearing. 6-2. Cleaning chuck head. Apply a high pressure air gun to clean the internal threads and the chuck outside surface. 6-3. Cleaning collet. Apply a high pressure air gun to clean the gaps inside diameter of the collet. After cleaning by using an air gun, use a clean rag to clean the chuck nut, chuck head, collet, machine appearance and grinding hose. In addition, use diluted rest preventative oil to clean the 2 grinding holes. 6-4. Replacing fuse. Use a flathead screwdriver to push out the cover slightly. 2 fuse included. 1 fuse for backup, other one for use. Remove the burnt out fuse. Use a proper tool to push other new fuse and fit it to the correct position. Slightly push it inward until a car sound is heard, which means the fuse is properly positioned. Switch on the machine to check whether everything is regular. Fast drill resharpener CH213 can be operated easy, fast, accurately and safe. Keep your drills in sharp, retain the best.